Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Car Hub. Today I'm diving into a crucial topic that every driver needs to know about: car filters. Keeping your car's filters in top condition is essential for smooth performance, better fuel efficiency, and a healthier ride. So, let's break down the must-know basics together. First up, the air filter. This little guy is responsible for keeping dirt and debris out of your engine. A dirty air filter can reduce your engine's efficiency and even damage it over time. Check it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or as recommended by your car's manual. If it looks clogged or dark, it's time for a replacement. Next, let's talk about the oil filter. The oil filter keeps contaminants out of your engine oil. It's usually changed along with your oil, about every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Don't skip this. It's crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. Now, onto the fuel filter. This filter ensures that only clean fuel reaches your engine, preventing blockages. Depending on your vehicle, you should check it every 20,000 to 40,000 miles. Symptoms of a bad fuel filter include difficulty starting, rough idling, or reduced power. Lastly, let's not forget the cabin filter. This filter keeps the air inside your car clean and free from pollutants. Change it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles to ensure a healthy ride for you and your passengers. A musty smell or reduced airflow from your vents are signs it's time for a new one. Remember, keeping your car's filters clean isn't just about performance, it's about longevity and safety too. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more straightforward car care tips from the Car Hub. Thanks for watching and drive safe.